Hone is a very tight-knit community. We're involved in what happens in our community. We're very real people. That's where we've come to the Real Kiwi Country theme for our town. Hone has had a long association with the Kiwi. We have a close relationship with Pukaha Mount Bruce, which is just down the road, which is our national Kiwi centre there.
At Pukaha you can see the country's only white Kiwi, and with our Kiwi now being painted white, the tourists are making that link between the two, so we're hoping to capture on that and really build on it.
Today we've moved the Kiwi from its original location into a new location, and that there is just part of the upgrade. So when it comes to shifting the Kiwi, the first thing the guys did was they had taken off some of the fiberglass around the feet just to identify what it was made of. The Kiwi had been in place for a few years and no one knew how strong it was. Had a look at the steel, they've determined how they would shift the Kiwi and how they would attach the new feet to it. From there we've got in another subcontractor with a swing lift on it. They've come in, they've flung the Kiwi up, and you use the gas axe to cut the feet, lift it up, we'll weld the new feet on and sling it back into place.
One of the biggest challenges for our community is we're used to doing things a little bit in the Kiwi way. So with Downers being in town, we've really been exposed to what safety and culture means. So now we've got our own people thinking, okay, those cones are in the right place and making sure that sites are secure. And Downers have actually taught us that.
So my favourite part while I've been working on the Ekipahuna Main Street upgrade has been just working with the crew. I think the boys have done a fantastic job. The weather conditions aren't the best down here, so they've been involved with all extremes, heavy rain, wind and stuff like that, and I think they've done a fantastic job.
The poor guys working on the site, they've been photographed, they get stopped, they chat to the community, they want to know what's going on. So our people have been really engaged with them, and the team have taken that on board really well. I don't think they were expecting that.
Watching the Tararua Alliance and Downer move the Kiwi this morning was really awesome. They did a fantastic job with such a frail item. It was really amazing. And then to see the Kiwi come and land in front of the chorus property was just the end of such a fantastic morning.
One of the successes that I'm most proud of, this will be the first town upgrade within the Tararua district that's looking like coming in on budget. As a councillor, I'd be very happy to report back to both the ratepayer and my own council that we've come in on budget.